What's up, YouTube? Today, looking at a case knife that I paid in total with shipping and tax $50. It's a case 10 dot APPALOOSA bone Barlow, and its serial number is eluding me at this moment. Oh no. Is A62009. Anyway, you can see that the bone is pretty well colored. I really like these white spots on bones that seem to reject all the color. I think are really neat. I got this for a great price. Because eBay is kind of just not the best spot to sell knives. I bought this at $39.95 and it got cranked up all the way to $40. You can see it does have gaps, pretty minor. This thing was totally covered with like these spider web-like patina marks. You can kind of see them here. I did my best to clean them up. It's just not as easy as you would think. I think that's probably why I got such a great deal on it. These usually go for double what I paid and are super great pieces. This very big nail nick makes it easy to open the main. You probably saw me struggle with this one earlier. My nails are pretty short right now. But yeah, this is a great piece. If you ever get a chance, I recommend you pick it up. It isn't stainless steel, which is kind of a bummer, but if I ever see one in the CV, I'll snag it. And yeah, that's about all she wrote for this one. If you like what I'm doing here, give me a sub, give me a like, subscribe. I do a lot of content like this. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. I hope you have a great rest of your day. All right, goodbye now. That's it.